My presentation is LDS developing a cross-platform icon management system. I am Tamada. I am a front-end engineer for different services at UIT 1 department of LINE. In this session, I will introduce icon elements which represent pictogram of LDS line design system, which was just presented by Alan in the previous session. We call this icon asset management system as LAICON. To talk about an icon issue, I'd like to use one example. As you can see, this icon represents a box. But how this icon will be used in real services. There might be a service to call this icon as a box because it represents a box, but another service might call it as a gift since the box represents a present for a friend. Or it could be called as an instance if it is used in a server management screen. In a traditional workflow, each service has created icons freely, as I have explained, but if this issue was not addressed, the entire line might use inconsistent design. We offer consistent icons to both designers and engineers through icon management system. Our aim is to offer icons with consistency as line design system and some freedom for designers. For engineers, we let them use the same icons as designers with efficiency. This time, I focus on icons, but this presentation is relevant if you want to build a design system in terms of scalability. Apps or web services you use daily are using many icons. Services published by LINE use so many icons like this. In a modern UI design, icons are actively used from the perspective of display sizes or multi-language. So it was indispensable to prepare new icon sets to build the new design system. On the other hand, as the box icon issue, to fulfill the requirements of line design system, we had to solve the issues which didn't exist in the traditional icon sets. Let me share our actual icon set issues. This is the example of icons which represent money transfer of Japanese yen. At first, as you can see here, there were multiple icons which have the same meaning. It is ridiculous to have multiple patterns, although one icon is sufficient. We try to solve this issue by focusing on the name of icons. To be more specific, we avoided to use abstract words to indicate each icon. Rather, we try to combine concrete names. In this case, the representation is the combination of yen, circle, and send instead of money transfer. With this approach, we could eliminate ambiguous names, and similar icons naturally have name conflict. We also developed naming convention for newly added icons. We reviewed icon libraries. Names were made based on the service context, so they were less reusable. However, making systemic mechanism, the icon library has no duplication and it is easy to use. Newly offered icons put emphasis on overall design consistency rather than the perfectness of icon. And they are available to any line services. LDS Icon Guideline specifies rules with concrete numbers. Explicit overall rules make new icon naturally closer to LDS tastes. This is another benefit of using LAICON. Along with icon set design, we renewed in-house Icon Gallery website. Although this is for internal use, we don't compromise the quality of the website. It offers features to help engineers or designers. We also developed a new management system which is called LICON Manager. This is the website for designers to apply the addition of icons. To add icons, naming or design are reviewed. Insufficient icon data will be automatically reviewed by the system. Using this system, we check icon sets for different line services with human eyes and the system. Added icons to LICON are automatically offered to each line service by a deploy system. Front-end development want to use graphic assets including icons in different formats other than image file. With this workflow, the appropriate format is offered immediately. Last but not least, I will introduce use cases using new icon sets. In a management screen of LINE official account, original icons and external icon set of Font Awesome have been used from the beginning. All these icons are replaced with LICON after update. Most of icons were updated without additional design or implementation. Difference may not be obvious, but it is one element to realize uniqueness of LINE through small icons accumulation. By offering original icon set, LINE uniqueness is obtained with minimum cost. So this is summary. Design system is required by both designers and engineers. We offer an ecosystem which can bridge between designers and engineers through icons. Design systems tend to be considered for designers only, but it is important to make the system scalable and offer design efficiently. Incorporating necessary icons is necessary for the design system to be used easily, continuously. Thank you very much. Please enjoy next speaker, Peter's session on LDS.